Sunsets Outdoor Design and Build, Container Gardening, Fresh Ideas for Outdoor Living. This book offers great ideas and expert advice on designing, planting, and caring for beautiful container gardens. The Ultimate Gardening Book by Carol McLynn has over 1,000 inspirational ideas and practical tips to transform your garden. 100 Heirloom Tomatoes for the American Gardener by Dr. Carolyn Mehl. Dr. Carolyn J. Mehl has raised more than 1,000 heirloom tomatoes. In this book, she presents 100 consistently top-performing varieties for North American gardeners. For every gardener, no matter how experienced, here's everything you need to know to grow and harvest tomatoes with real taste. Small Plot, Big Harvest. A step-by-step guide to growing fruits and vegetables in small spaces from DK. Want to grow your own fruit or vegetables but unsure how? Small Plot Big Harvest contains brilliantly simple instructions on how to grow more than 50 different crops. It's perfect for beginners and expert gardeners alike. Homegrown Tea, written by Cassie Liversidge. Homegrown Tea explains how you can grow a large variety of plants in your own garden, on a balcony, or even on a windowsill, and they could become your tea cupboard. It shows you how to grow your tea from seeds, cuttings, or small plants, as well as which parts of the plant are used to make tea. Gardener's Year from DK. The Gardener's Year is packed with timely gardening tips for a wide variety of garden projects, covering flowers and plants, fruits, vegetables and herbs, and trees and shrubs. Small Plot, High Yield Gardening, written by Sal Gilberty. In this book, you'll learn about the most effective natural fertilizers, drought-resistant cultivation methods, pest-repellent companion plants, trends in heirloom herb and vegetable varieties, and raised bed techniques for achieving maximum productivity in a limited space. Don't throw it, grow it. 68 windowsill plants from kitchen scraps, written by Deborah Peterson. Don't throw out your kitchen scraps, grow them. Discover how you can transform leftover pomegranate seeds, mango pits, and dried bits of ginger root into thriving plants. From the common carrot to the exotic cherimoya, you'll be amazed at the gardening possibilities hidden in the foods you eat. You can check out any of these books and more at the Fort Smith Public Library. Just go to our catalog to reserve them. Happy gardening!